Getting ISO certified can feel overwhelming, but it does not have to be. Whether you are a small business or a large enterprise, the process follows a clear, structured path. In this video, we break it down step by step so you know exactly what to expect in 2026. The journey begins with a gap analysis. You assess your current practices against the requirements of your chosen ISO standard, most commonly ISO 9001 for quality management. This reveals exactly where your organization stands and what needs to change before moving forward. Next comes documentation. You prepare the required policies, procedures, and records that meet the standard's requirements. This is your system on paper, the foundation everything else is built on. Clear, accurate documentation is what auditors will rely on throughout the entire process. Now you implement. You put those documented processes into practice across the entire organization. Every team, every department, every person plays a role. This is where real change happens, where a culture of quality, consistency, and accountability starts to take root. Before facing the external auditors, you conduct an internal audit. This is your chance to verify compliance, catch any gaps, and ensure the system is truly working as intended. Think of it as a rehearsal, one that gives your team the confidence to walk into the final audit fully prepared. Leadership then conducts a management review. Senior decision makers evaluate the audit findings, review performance data, and ensure all corrective actions are in place. Quality is not just an operational responsibility, it starts at the top, and this step proves it. Now comes the external audit. An accredited certification body reviews your organization in two stages. First, your documentation, then an on-site assessment of your system in real operation. If you meet the standard, you receive your official ISO certificate, a moment that tells your customers, your partners, and the world, this organization delivers on its promises. But certification is not the finish line. It is the starting point. Annual surveillance audits and a commitment to continuous improvement keep your system strong and your certificate valid. The businesses leading their industries in 2026 are the ones that chose this standard. Now it is your turn.